Here is how to fix a Crunchyroll Premium subscription that is not being recognized or is not providing premium benefits despite an active subscription in just 3 minutes. Today I will show you in a step-by-step guide how to restore premium access while checking important subscription and billing details. First, sign out of your Crunchyroll account and then sign back in. You will see the login screen asking for your email address and password. Enter your credentials carefully and make sure you are using the same account that purchased the premium membership. Once you're inside, open your profile and verify that displayed email matches the account linked to your subscription. Next, open account settings and select membership info. You will see your current plan, billing method, and renewal details. Then, check whether the membership status shows premium and active. Look for your membership tiers such as Fan, Mega Fan, or Ultimate Fan. After that, open the email account used for the subscription and locate the payment confirmation or receipt. You should see a confirmation from Crunchyroll, Google Play, Apple, Amazon, Roku, or another billing provider. If you upgraded only recently, wait a few minutes because account synchronization can take time. Now, force close the Crunchyroll app completely and reopen it. The app will reload your account information. Then visit your device App Store and check for available Crunchyroll updates. If you see an update button, install it and reopen the app. Once the app is updated, test our premium-only episode. It should play without upgrade prompts or locked access messages. If premium shows as inactive after payment, double-check that you are assigned to the same email address that received the confirmation receipt. If you don't see this option, there's another way. Open your device settings and locate the Crunchyroll app. Open storage or storage and cache, then tap clear cache. Restart the device, sign back into Crunchyroll, and test premium content again. If the issue continues, reinstall the app and try again. Once everything is set, the account will display an active premium membership, and premium-only content will play normally without locked access messages or requests to upgrade. Following these simple steps makes fixing a Crunchyroll premium subscription that is not being recognized or is not providing premium benefits despite an active subscription quick and easy.